Well, check him out.
Yeah, cool.
He just like keeps orbiting the pool.
Yeah,
he needs water though.
he has to have a little bit of water, and you'll see it bubble, and then he'll go.
Does he have any other purpose than amusement?
Yeah, that's it.
Fishing.
I don't know, you might be able to hold him up and maybe he'll get a shark.
One. Stand on my leg. 1, 2, 3. That's
That was great.
Just as he gave her to me, I started down the ladder.
Can you get the fishy? Can you get him? You got him. Good job. You caught a fish.
Little girl.
Let's go swim on our boat.
Oh, what's she doing?
Daddy is full of ideas.
yes, he is. And I like them, Mommy.
You want to stick your face in?
Winnie Pooh?
Daddy's funny.
Daddy closes his mouth underwater.
Tricky Daddy.
Sploosh!
Looks pretty comfortable.
Again?